Okay. Come across, I'm trying to find my way back out of here. But there's a live bent over tree held down by another one. That one's alive too. It's bent over right at the roots. And it's bent over holding that other one down. And then right beside it is a live tree that's bent up there with nothing holding it down. That's odd. I gotta find my way out of here. I found this horse trail I came up on. I think it goes back up to where I had first pulled in. And I still want to try it. I'll be back. This is going downhill. I know the road is up there somewhere. I'm going to have to go through the woods. That's all there is to it. I thought I came back up that steep hill. The same area I came down on. And I left a marker where I came down onto the trail at. But I never saw it. I went back out that way a little ways and the trail went downhill. I'm going to have to find a way to get up through those thick woods. Because I know the road is up there at the top of that hill. I'm just going to have to go through the woods to get there. And it's so thick. That was creepy. What the heck was that? Okay, that's a woodpecker. That's not what I heard the first time. I heard a woodpecker down that way. I heard what sounded like a scream out that way. I'm still trying to find my way through these woods back to the road. And I'm pretty sure it's not up there too far. It's got to be right up there at the top of the hill. That's creepy. That's only the second time I've been in these woods and completely lost my bearings. The other place was about 6 years ago now. It's a place we call the Forbidden Zone. I'd been in and out of that area, I don't know how many times. But that day, we got back in there and started getting that weird feeling. The hair on my arms was standing up. I had goosebumps, and it was 80 plus degrees, close to 90 that day. The end of May, just like today. And when I first come down into this, I said I started getting that feeling. So somewhere, they're around here somewhere. And it caused me to get disoriented. I'm pretty sure the road's right up there. I'm going to keep heading uphill. Okay. There's a bunch of sticks that have been broken off and leaned up against here. There's no way that is natural. There's so many of them. That one's broken off. I gotta be getting close to that road. I surely hope so. Damn. Damn, I haven't been this lost since the Forbidden Zone. This is really freaking weird. That road's got to be right out there. I'll be back. I'm going to pick my way around through these briars. There's some older broken off sticks laying here. This one is underneath here. And you know what? I see a little glint out there. There's a road. And I believe that's my van. I found the road in my van. Right there it is. I came up right beside it. There's no way. There's no freaking way. They brought me right back. They got me lost and they brought me right back. I don't know how long I've been wandering around. Shoot. That was one weird adventure.